to Palatable Platter. This is Suparna and today we are going to make Eggplant Paratha. Have you heard of that before? Well, I had not. So I decided to do some experiments with this eggplant and this was a huge success. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you all. Do give it a try and let me know how that goes. And now without any further delay, let's get started. It's not that difficult, isn't it? And I'm sure you're going to love the results. So do try this recipe and let me know how that goes in the comment section down below. Follow us on Instagram at Palatable Platter. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to never miss our new recipes. See you next week.